of the things that I love doing is taking things that are from nature and reimagining them. We're gonna have a leaf blower situation here, but anyway, I'm gonna show you a really unique plant. I have no idea what the name of the plant is, but it naturally dries up and rolls, and it's a sort of papyrus. So when I looked at it, I saw papyrus paper that could be used for miniatures. So the only thing is you've got to be careful because you have to respect nature. And I cut my finger on it even though I was being delicate because the blades of the green part are very sharp, like little razor blades. So I hope you enjoy my pictures and what I did with them.